Good morning. Let's start our day with a fresh and peaceful routine. Wake up with the morning light. Time to make your bed just right.
Wake up with the morning light.
Fold
Time
the
to make
blanket
your
nice
bed
and
just right.
sweet. There! A
Tuck the
perfectly
corners
made
on
bed
the
for a
heat.
beautiful day ahead.
Fold a blanket nice and sweet. After breakfast, don't you run. Help won't clear up when you're done. Wash the plates and dry them too. Stack them shiny like brand new. Little hands can do so much. Every day with gentle touch. Help it makes us feel so proud. Singing responsibility out loud. Oh, toys are scattered on the floor. Put them where they were before. Books and blocks all in their place. Smiling at the tidy space. And the clothes are on the ground. Pick them up without a sound. Hang them up or fold them tight. Keeping clean feels just so right. Little hands can do so much. Every day with gentle touch. Help it makes us feel so proud. Sing the responsibility out loud. So much. Every day with gentle touch. Help it makes us feel so proud. Sing a responsibility out loud.
Thanks for watching Learning